Every time you ask your phone for the weather, you're using artificial intelligence. No sci-fi robot required. This hidden brain understands your words, finds answers, and responds instantly. AI is everywhere. In our phones, cars, and even our movie recommendations. It learns, reasons, and creates, helping us solve problems and extend our abilities. The goal isn't to replace people, but to help us see further and create more. Next time you unlock your phone or get a perfect suggestion, remember the AI working behind the scenes. Understanding AI is for everyone, because it's shaping our world. The adventure is just beginning. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? It's a term we hear thrown around a lot these days, but what does it really mean? Let's break it down and explore the fascinating world of AI. Simply put, it's about making computers smart. It's about giving machines the ability to think, learn, and solve problems much like humans do. It involves teaching them to do things that only humans could do until recently. Tasks that required intelligence, reasoning, and adaptability are now within the reach of AI. Unlike traditional calculators or computers that just blindly follow pre-programmed instructions, AI learns from experience, analyzes data, and makes its own decisions. It can adapt to new situations and improve its performance over time. The dream of intelligent machines isn't new. It goes back decades, fueled by science fiction and the human desire to create thinking machines. But real, tangible progress began in the 1950s, with the birth of the field of artificial intelligence as an academic discipline. Early AI programs were designed to play games like checkers, proving that machines could do more than just crunch numbers. They could strategize and compete. However, for many years, the development of AI was limited by slow computers and the lack of large datasets. This limited computer power and data availability held AI back from reaching its full potential. But with the advent of faster and more powerful computers and the explosion of data available on the internet, AI finally had the resources it needed to truly learn and evolve. This perfect storm of factors sparked today's AI boom, leading to unprecedented advancements in the field. What started as a far-fetched dream is now a powerful and pervasive technology that is rapidly changing our world in profound ways. From enhancing simple computer games to powering smart assistants that understand and respond to our voices, AI's journey is really just getting started. The possibilities seem limitless. The next chapter in the AI revolution is being written right now, and it promises to be even more transformative than the last. You probably use AI every day without noticing. When Netflix or YouTube suggests a show, that's AI analyzing your tastes. Smart assistants like Siri or Alexa use AI to understand and answer your questions in seconds. Your email spam filter, AI at work, learning to spot unwanted messages, even features like smart replies and face unlock rely on AI. From GPS navigation to real-time translation, AI is everywhere. It's the invisible helper making your digital life smoother. AI isn't the future, it's already part of your everyday world. Ever wondered how machines learn and adapt? It's a fascinating process that's transforming our world. How do machines learn? It all starts with data, lots and lots of it. Mountains of information are fed into the system. To teach a computer to recognize a cat, a seemingly simple task for us, you show it thousands upon thousands of cat photos. A diverse range of images from different angles and lighting conditions is crucial. AI uses algorithms, complex sets of rules and instructions, to spot patterns and features within the data, identifying key characteristics, like whiskers, pointy ears, and other defining feline features. At first, inevitably, it makes mistakes, misidentifying objects and getting things wrong. But it learns from these errors, constantly improving its accuracy and performance over time. It's a process of refinement. Many AIs use artificial neural networks, sophisticated systems, inspired by the intricate workings of the human brain, mimicking its structure, to strengthen connections between these artificial neurons as they learn and process information. The more data they process and analyze, the more patterns they encounter, the better and more efficient they get at recognizing patterns and making accurate predictions. It's quite similar to learning a musical instrument. Consistent practice and repetition are essential for achieving mastery and perfect performance. AI practices with massive data sets, constantly refining its understanding, meticulously tuning its brain, its algorithms and neural networks, to perform tasks with increasing accuracy, precision, and efficiency. This powerful combo of vast amounts of data, sophisticated algorithms, the logical steps that guide the learning process, and complex brain-like neural networks working in harmony lets machines learn and achieve incredible things, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. That's how AI gets so smart, constantly evolving and adapting to new challenges. AI is a big family, and one key member is machine learning, where computers learn from data instead of step-by-step instructions. Our cat detector is machine learning in action. It finds patterns on its own. Deep learning is a more advanced type, using many layers of neural networks to learn complex patterns. Deep learning powers virtual assistants, self-driving cars, and medical breakthroughs. These systems need huge amounts of data and powerful computers. Today's AI is narrow, great at specific tasks, not general intelligence. The big dream is artificial general intelligence, a machine that can learn anything, like a human. We're not there yet, but it's the ultimate goal. For now, narrow AI is changing the world. When we talk about artificial intelligence, it's important to understand that it's not a single, monolithic entity. Instead, scientists and researchers categorize AI into different types based on its capabilities and functionalities. These classifications help us understand the current state of AI, as well as its potential future evolution. First, and most prevalent today, is artificial narrow intelligence, often referred to as ANI. This is the type of AI that powers many of the applications and devices we use daily. It's incredibly powerful, demonstrating superior performance, but only when applied to very specific, narrowly defined tasks. Its expertise doesn't extend beyond its programming. Think of the AI inside smart speakers or the algorithms that power chess programs. ANI is like a world-class chef, a culinary genius, who can create the most exquisite dishes but can't fix a leaky faucet. Brilliant in its domain but ultimately limited in its overall capabilities. It excels within a confined scope. Next on the spectrum is artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This type of AI would possess the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge in a way that matches human intelligence. It would be versatile and adaptable, capable of tackling any task that a human being can. Achieving AGI remains a distant goal, a significant challenge for researchers. This is because replicating human intelligence, with all its nuances and complexities, is an incredibly difficult feat. The final and most theoretical type is artificial superintelligence, or ASI, an AI that surpasses human intelligence by a significant margin, possessing capabilities far beyond anything we can currently comprehend. ASI remains firmly in the realm of science fiction for now, a concept explored in books and movies. Understanding the distinctions between these types of AI helps us to see just how far we've already come in the field of AI, and also provides a glimpse into how far we could potentially go in the future. Even now, ANI is already profoundly transforming our daily lives in countless ways. While AGI and ASI remain largely theoretical, they represent the ambitious dreams that continue to drive research and innovation forward in the field. The future of AI is brimming with exciting possibilities, and it's a field that promises to reshape our world in profound ways. AI is already transforming healthcare, finance, and transportation. In medicine, AI helps doctors spot diseases earlier and develop new treatments. In finance, it detects fraud and helps make smarter investments. Self-driving cars and smart traffic systems are making travel safer and more efficient. Looking ahead, AI could personalize education, fight climate change, and help us explore space. But with great power comes responsibility. We must use AI ethically and fairly. We need to address bias, job impacts, and ensure everyone benefits. The future of AI is something we all help shape. As Alan Kay said, "The best way to predict the future is to invent it."